Investors are on a roller coaster ride with the market this week. Let's bring in Alan Duckman of Agora Financial for his Trader Talk and the weekly options alert. Happy to have you on the show, Alan.
Markets are on the move, so when markets give you lemons, you want to squeeze that in lemonade. And that's what we saw here yesterday. We had a 2% pop in the markets, and we're back above the halfway point of the drop from the top in the S&P. So we'll have to see if we can build on this once again.
And you believe it was a short squeeze?
That's certainly what it looked like. Now you need to see follow-through buying because those shorts were forced to cover, and that's one of the reasons we trade options, so we can ride through these ups and downs, and we're not subjected to the pain or psychology of the markets.
Let's take a look at some of your plays that you have on, starting with AMD.
AMD is a great example of why we use options. So we sold half our position at 50%, seems like weeks ago, I guess it was weeks ago. We still have the other half right now, which is an August position, expires on Friday. It's now deep in the money. Now this is a stock that went from 34 down to 28, back up to 35, so we've been able to ride the waves, and we're in a profit situation. We'll see where we stand on Friday. JD.com, that's a stock that jumped 12% yesterday. So that's another comeback stock back above 30. September option, plenty of time.
And then there's Oracle.
Oracle September, that's not doing so well, but again, there's more than a month of time there. Let's even get back above 57. After that, we've got Twitter, which is September option. It's a deep in the money $37 call. So we're seeing that stock make another attempt on those highs that were made just on August 1st.
Right, because that stock has been a high flyer.
Yeah, momentum stock for sure.
All right, let's take a look at one other trade that you have on here, HPQ.
HPQ, the best of the bunch in the fact that we have an October option. So that's more than 2 months of time. And goodness, we all know that market is going to be on a move between now and then. And we'll hopefully get to take a profit just from a modest move in the underlying stock. The options have big gains.
Now your WPI trade trigger for this week takes us to the FANGs. I get it.
It's Facebook.
You're friends with Facebook.
Facebook has been traded between 160 and 200 for most of this year, so 180 is a strong level of support. Now, let's remember this stock is up 40% in 2019, but it's still 15% off its highs from about a year ago. So there's still more upside opportunity. I think Facebook had been forgotten about. Let's remember that they made $2 billion last quarter. That's after they paid a $5 billion fine. So there's big money there. The October 175 calls in the money options, plenty of time. Look for that stock to have a surge to the upside and see tech take off once again.
Meanwhile, you just hang in there with your trade. Okay, let's get your trading floor takeaways, Alan.
Yes, big three. The big three, the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ are all just 3% off their all-time highs.
And number two?
Little three. It's been less than 3 weeks since the all-time forever highs were made in the markets on July 26th.
Less than 3 weeks, that's amazing. Okay, and then number three?
Is 3 more. So we're going to see 3 more rate cuts. We're going to see September, we're going to see December, and now they're saying that there's going to be a March rate cut. So see the rate cuts. We'll continue to see this market march higher.
And we will see you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.